Hey there, ever wondered how some cars get the coveted 5-star rating from the Global NCAP? Let's break it down step by step so you can see how car companies achieve this impressive mark. First off, let's talk about Global NCAP, which stands for New Car Assessment Program. They are the ones running those tough crash tests to evaluate how safe vehicles are. When a car gets a 5-star rating, it means the vehicle passed some of the most rigorous tests out there, keeping adults, kids and pedestrians safe. Why is this rating important? Well, a top rating builds trust with customers, boosts sales and shows that the company is seriously committed to safety. Let's break it down. So what makes a car worthy of a 5-star rating? Here are the key features companies focus on. The first key feature is crash energy management. This involves designing the car to absorb and redirect energy during a crash, so the people inside are protected. Next step, we have advanced airbags. These aren't just your basic airbags. Modern cars comes with front, side, curtain and sometimes even knee airbags for full protection. The third key feature is seatbelt technology. Things like pretensioners and load limiters make sure that seatbelt tightens when needed but doesn't pull too hard. Plus, reminders to buckle up are part of the deal. Then there's child safety systems. If you have got kids, ISOFIX child seat anchors and rear-facing child seats are essential for scoring well in child occupant protection. We can't forget about electronic stability control, ESC. This system helps prevent accidents by keeping the cars stable during sharp turns or sudden moves. Another important feature is autonomous emergency braking. This system can automatically apply the brakes if it detects a possible crash, giving you an extra layer of safety. Finally, the pedestrian safety. Companies design the front end of the car like bumpers and hood to absorb energy and reduce the impact of the pedestrians in case of a collision. Now, how do companies design cars to meet these tough standards? Well, there's a lot that goes into it. The first step is crash testing and simulation. Before even a car hits the road, engineers use simulations to predict how it will handle a crash. That way, they can fine-tune the design and make it safer even when it goes to production. The second part is material selection. Automakers use high-strength steel in critical areas like A-pillar, side impact zones, but they balance it with lightweight materials to avoid adding too much weight. Another key element is crumple zone and reinforced passenger cells. Crumple zones absorb energy while the passenger area stays rigid to protect it. So what's the payoff for all this effort? Here are the key benefits. The first benefit is market differentiation. Cars with a 5-star rating stand out, attracting safety-conscious buyers and allowing manufacturers to charge a premium price. Second, that's regulatory compliance. Many countries require high safety score for cars to even be sold in that market. So a 5-star rating helps companies to meet strict requirements. The third benefit is customer trust and loyalty. Safety is a huge factor when people are choosing a car. A 5-star rating builds trust, which leads to more sales and long-term customer loyalty. Lastly, reduced liability. Companies that meet top safety standards face fewer lawsuits and lower financial risk from accidents. But of course, achieving the top rating isn't without its challenges. The first challenge is the cost of development. Incorporating advanced safety features and using high-quality materials can be expensive. Companies have to balance safety with profitability. The second challenge is technological complexity. Systems like autonomous emergency braking and electronic stability control requires a sophisticated technology and precise integration into the car's design. And the third challenge is weight and efficiency trade-offs. Adding safety features often means adding weight, which can affect fuel efficiency, especially in electric cars, where range is a key factor. In the end, achieving a 5-star Global NCAP rating takes a lot of advanced materials, clever design and cutting-edge tech. But when companies pull it off, they get a huge advantage, not just in terms of safety, but in trust, sales and compliance. So next time you're looking for a new car, keep these safety features in mind, because there's nothing better than driving a vehicle that's proven to keep you safe. Stay safe and see you next time. Thank you.